Hey everybody, Julie here, Urban American Homestead. I'm here with the puppy. We're trying to get Maggie back with her. Mag! Maggie! Maggie!
I wish you would walk a little faster.
Maggie!
This collar's not on there.
Yeah, make sure you hold on to her.
Yeah, this collar needs to be tight.
That's why I didn't do that. Don't try to take it off of her. That's not a really good space right there. He could actually jump over that if he wanted to.
Let her smell you. She's never been out of the pen.
Right.
Well, she's been out of the pen.
There's Molly. Hi, Molly. Good girl. Good girl.
She wants to feed her.
Good girl. Good girl.
Watch you see how experienced this puppy is. She's trying to smell what's coming out of her butt if it's her.
Good girl, man.